Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use loops in Python. First for loops, then while loops. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more of my content. So let's start off with doing for loops. For loops allow code to be repeated multiple times rather than having to write the same code over and over again. To explain this better, let's look at an example. So as you can see here in the start, I have to repeat the code over and over until the turtle finishes its drawing. It will be easier to have that code in a loop and it changes colour each time it goes round. In fact, there is a way we can do this. As you can see, I import the turtle the same way. However, instead of introducing the colours one by one, I put them into a dictionary. I tell the turtle where to start, same as what I did here. I then tell Tina, the name of the turtle, to move forward by 20, like I did up here. However, I only wrote it once. After this line is where the colours change. As I said in the start of the loop, for colours in colourless, this will go through each colour so it will change colour. Tina.color means first it will do the first colour, I wrote black, then on and on until it gets to the last colour I wrote into the dictionary. Finally, I told it to write what colour am I now, and then it goes through the loop. It will repeat each time the colour changes. Let's move on to while loops. Here I'm trying to write numbers from my age until 20. Let's say my age is 10. Instead of writing all the numbers until I get to 20, it'll be easier to have the computer to work out the numbers and stop when it gets to 20. Let's say my age is 10. First, I made a variable to say my age is 10. Next, I said that while the age, which is 10 like I said, is smaller than 20, it needs to print out the age. Here I put down 100 because I want to show that this can be useful. This sign means less than. So whilst the age is less than 100, you're going to print age, and then you're going to write age equals plus 1, which means the age, you add on 1, then you start the loop again with that new number. So as you can see, right now, maybe just going up to 20, it might not be long enough, but when you do big numbers, you wouldn't want to write print all over and over again. I hope you learned something about loops. Please check out my channel, like and subscribe, and write down in the comments what else you want me to make videos on. Bye!